great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. Driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat, AT4 hard badging, power windows, power folding side mirrors with the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice the Sierra comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, head-up display button and information tab, electric park brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, trailer mode down below. By turning this dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, all-weather floor mats can be found on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side having our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. To the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our fully customizable driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider button, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Up next is GMC's infotainment center equipped with wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with Google Maps, our shortcut buttons down the left, including our trailering app, Bluetooth. There's the home button there. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. There we go. That straight line there was for hitch guidance. HD surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Engine push start button, apply pressure to the brake while holding the button to start the truck. Dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, lane departure warning, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, no slip matting along with some USB ports, the integrated trailer brake controller, wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Last, we'll take a peek in the center console here where you'll find some additional USB ports and power plugins, a removable tray, and underneath that we have the center console safe. Starting at the front of the AT4, we have the completely refreshed front end, red tow hooks, fog lights, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, keyless start, remote start, the rear window slider, and as we make our way toward the very back, the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop the tailgate down. This truck also has GMC 6-way MultiPro tailgate. By pushing two additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. It also has MultiPro tailgate step lights and the MultiPro tailgate audio system by Kicker. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the AT4 logo, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll be taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, some USB ports, the rear fans. All-weather floor mats can be found on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat, storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage, accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.